clinical test, sometimes when we test something or measure some, we go to the clinic, we need to, sometimes we got true positive. Patient got disease, like we test COVID-19 positive, true positive, test is positive. But sometimes you see false positive. Patient does not have disease, but test is positive, right? Like the guy, he used a paid card. Paid card is you need to use with the female. Check about you got pregnant or not pregnant, right? Paid card. Use about what we call urine from female, check you pregnant or not. But the male use is positive. What is mean that guy is obese? No, that guy is pregnant, but the male cannot pregnant, but the false positive, right? เอาไปใช้ผิดทางตรวจครรภ์เพจการตรวจครรภ์ผู้หญิงใครให้ตรวจครรภ์ผู้หญิงผู้ชายก็เอาฉี่ไปตรวจแล้วมันโพสิทีฟไงขึ้นมา2 ขีดต้องไหมจริงๆต้องผู้หญิงเท่านั้นใช่ไหมโอเค sometimes I don't know, this is depend on, but it's relevant with make something false. If you don't use relevant fit with subject, it can happen false positive. Think about this when you go to research site to do your research, okay? Sometimes got false positive. True negative, the patient does not have disease and have test negative, okay? True negative, does not have disease and test negative. True negative, okay? It look like undetected, okay? True negative. True negative, like we test the COVID, after that we undetect, okay, good. But false negative, patient had disease in the first time. I think there's ATK very cheap. Some ATK is very cheap. It's not real ATK, not sensitivity. It's maybe false negative a lot. And you believe it or not? Some people in Thailand, they got COVID-19, but they test quickly. Waiting for 3 days or 5 days is maybe positive, but they quickly to test is negative, right? But it's negative and they go to join the social participation. They go to pub and bar, they speak, people drink and talk a lot. After that, it's widespread throughout the Thailand. We're gonna have lockdown country, right? COVID-19 pandemics throughout the world because the false negative. We don't have a tool because just only a new disease, right? At the moment we can use PCR, right? GT-PCR is very accurate, but it's expensive. It takes time. You swap with the hospital. After use ATK, some ATK in the first time is not accurate. People got disease, but show the outcome is negative. Think about this moment as well, Omicron. Some people test ATK is negative. Oh, not to what we call not about the positive of the disease. I mean negative. I can free, but feeling you coughing and you feel sore throat. อาจจะเป็นหวัด just only cold or fever. Check again, double check. This is why repeat measure, not just only one brand, right? Or use about high caliber of tool, right? This is make you know you're gonna receive true positive or receive true negative. เป็นหรือไม่เป็นแล้ว test positive. And if you don't have got disease or no COVID, okay, non-detect or negative, real negative, good. Okay, this is clinical test, very important. Okay, the next is sensitivity and specificity. Sensitivity is mean look like responsiveness that we're gonna go in depth next week again. Sensitivity is mean ability or performance of test to correctly identify patient or identify subject or identify participant with disease. Sensitivity. If we use PPCR, right? I correct or not? Tell me. Very sensitivity model, right? Go to the hospital, but expensive. But sensitivity of PPCR and ATK. ATK is low sensitivity than. Or you use X-ray. Consumably use X-ray. And PCR use CT scan. Who got the two is sensitivity model. But if Jakapong here, Jakapong use MRI. MRI is sensitivity model, right? This is sensory ability of test. very to correct. If here Evelyn use ultrasound is might not sensitivity. It's near. It's just I think compared to X-rays might be the same or not. Ultrasound can show something, but not accurate. You need to go to CT scan to confirm. Or CT scan is not confirmed. Have something go to MRI. Clear and sensitivity. Okay. And specificity, ability to test to correct, identify those patients without the disease. Need to be specified. Make sure that the client got no disease. Last couple of weeks, I suggest my relative. She is around maybe 50, and she got a chance to test by ultrasound. Test what we call CBC ultrasound, and ultrasound shows some dot look like a lymph node in the river, and use the outcome of ultrasound to me. I used to study about when I study master level about anatomy in Faculty of Medicine, Chiang Mai University. I learned about a little bit of this, and I checked. It's not confirmed. I think you have money, right? Okay, I suggest my relative to go to public hospital quickly, because you if it's very taking risk for cancer. Ultrasound might show the cancer, but needs to confirm. And she have a chance to go to hospital again, due date for the doctor by the end of this year. But it takes time. If cancer is cannot, it's very growth rate is very increased every day, every time, right? I suggest her go to the private hospital, and you got money and give money, and after that process for CT or MR, she go in another day and receive the outcome of CT scan, show very clear, not the liver cancer, okay, just a cyst. Just only a cyst in cancer or lipid or ไขมันในตับ Okay, this is don't panic, don't be serious, don't be anxiety. Okay, the outcome very clear about this. This is like specific sensitivity. Okay, need about both sensitivity and specificity. Okay, the purpose of assessment tool. Why we need assessment tool for our research or everything about OT intervention. The first, we can use about descriptive บรรยาย content and after that we use content validity. That is descriptive. Descriptive is mean the number show, and content inside of the statistic is mean content valid ค่าความเที่ยงตรง descriptive and construct ค่าความเที่ยงตรงของโครงสร้าง that is you gonna learn next week. Okay, and predictive validity. If we use assessment tool, can predict X-ray and use MRI can predict. Okay, don't worry, no panic, right? Would you remember that the lecturer come from the faculty of FAMED in our university? She is just only a med educator, just 27 or 28. Could you remember he got lung cancer and migrated to his brain already? Could you remember last week? Because the outcome show very clear. It's very what we call controversial with his lifestyle. His lifestyle is he's a doctor and he is an educator in Faculty of Medicine, and he eat clean food, he exercise every day, but where is cancer come to his body? This is still doubt about. They think that 2.5 p.m. might stimulate, and the predictive show validities. He remain time in his life just very few, because this is the severe cancer already, the stage 4 already. You know about this, Ang Sumali and Abhishek as well. You don't know. อาจารย์แพทย์คนหนึ่งอายุ 28 อยู่ Family Med.
I have heard it from Facebook.
Yes.
Like cancer, he got cancer, right?
Yes, and cancer of lung disease and metastasis to brain already. And predictive cannot what we call, is because it's metastasis already and very strong as well. Strong cancer. It means aggressive cancer. We go through his brain already. Cannot help anything. Just only chemotherapy. But most of this is not respond. Hope, just only hope. Pray to Lord or Buddha and pray to the sacred thing to help him. Because predictive valid. If he's still located in stage 1 lung cancer, not disparate, ไม่กระจาย not metastasis, the team of CMU Med gonna use everything to save his life quickly, right? Use radiation, use chemo and surgery quickly to save his life. But now it's metastasis. It's very hard to control it. And the time of his life is still very few. Okay, it's very sad and tragedy with the young guy, and have what we call he maybe help in terms of medicine, in terms of the doctor. His career is going to go to in the future very long, but it's just very few and short. Discriminative ก็คือการแยกแยะ look like identify. Discriminative variable. Assessment tool can identify or can discriminative value. We need about that tool, this tool, everything. And the last is evaluative or sensitivity or responsive. We need this is to look like characteristic of assessment tool: descriptive, predictive, discriminative, and evaluative. This is characteristic of the assessment tool. If we got it, we can use to identify, we can use predict, we can use describe, and we can use to evaluate. Okay. This is why when some people got cancer, receive chemo, past surgery already, check again with evaluate after. You can see about the cancer cell inside pass over, disappear already, check blood already, no cancer, or about the what we call about the tumor inside vanishing small size. It means response is like that. Okay, this is the assessment tool. In terms of OT, it's the same. We need the tool descriptive. Okay, Thai CPT and LOTCA is descriptive, predictive, and can discriminative. Can identify who is cognitive level is better than to another. If intervention already is better or not. Discriminative and predictive as well. And evaluate after receive intervention can evaluate or sensitivity or not. Okay, if tool it look like the net. Some net is not what we call some net ตะข่าย net. Some net is not sensitivity. Look like X-ray compared to MRI. MRI is very clear. Net มันเหมือนตะข่ายมันถี่ But what we call X-ray is very ตะข่าย is very loose compared to MRI or TC scan like that. Okay.